Page 50, Once to Every Man and Nation. This is in the key of G minor. It's two flats, relative to B flat major. 4/4 time with lots of triplets, one enda, two enda. And then it's got dotted rhythms, and we need a difference between the triplet and the dotted rhythm, so let's watch this rhythm carefully. I'm going to start with the right hand. At the beginning, one enda, two enda, three enda, four enda, one enda, two, three, and then it's three e enda. Can you go one enda, two enda, three e enda, four e enda, one enda, two enda, three e enda, four e enda? Can you switch like that? Because you need to. In the second measure, one enda, two enda, three e enda, four. So just keep that 16th note shorter. Don't turn it into a triplet. No, triplet. Shorter. Second line, one enda. So make sure your dotted rhythms, the short note is short. Now fingering wise, in the right hand, if you don't want to put a thumb on that black, on the B flat, you can finger that, put the thumb on the C and come across to the B flat. Second finger here, and then you'll be alright. Top of page 51, you're up here. One enda, two. And then second measure, I recommend a second finger on that first note in the triplet. Then you can do a 2-3 on there. And for the half note in the second line, second measure, a 2-3-5 is fine. Or you can do their fingering too if you want. And then the rest of it's what you've had. The left hand has to stay soft, it's just supporting. Follow their fingering in the left hand, it's fine. Together, careful, the melody's in the right, that's what we want to hear. And it starts out loud, that's the melody. Keep the left hand sort of a medium soft, don't let it get very loud. Second measure. Now watch this fingering carefully in the second line, the first measure here. It's 2 and a 3. They're different and they feel a little weird at first, but at the top of page 51 you're here. This is soft, that's the melody is soft, so the left hand has to go way down. Crescendo up to a loud in the second line, so it starts soft, a little louder, medium loud. Now go. And that's where you're loud. Don't get loud before the half note. Save it for that. And now you're loud. You're loud. But that's where you were to start. And so forth until the end. Then you come back down. Now it says march tempo. Right, left, right, left. Right. Soft. Maybe you want to do it as a slow march, so it's how you decide how fast you want to march. 1, 2. I don't think I'd go much slower than that. Let's play this together very slowly, and I'm going to repeat it because it's got a repeat sign. But I'm only going to repeat it once, so we're just going to play it twice. If you want to play along, go ahead. I'm not doing the dynamics. I just want to do the notes and the rhythms. We want to make sure we got those okay. I'm going to give me 4 counts, and let's play. If you want to play along, go ahead. Put your hands where they go. There's no pedal in this at all. You don't need it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. 1 E and a 2. Repeat. Four.